Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, in this one I'll show you how to enable the energy saving feature on your phone. Now of course energy saving allows you to be able to save on the battery in your phone by reducing the processor to 70%. It dims the screen and does a number of stuff that saves on power. Alright, so in order to enable this feature, go ahead and go to settings. Alright, so you're going to find the gear icon right here. You're going to tap. And of course, you're going to go to the battery. There it is. So tap on the battery. So once you're on the battery here, you'll see the option that says power saving. Now you can turn it on. And of course, all the defaults are going to be on. Notice as well, the estimated time. It says 1 day and 3 hours. If it's off, it says 1 day. All right. So it does increase the battery longevity. So if I long press or tap on the text, it will bring you to the customization. Here it's limiting the CPU. If you want to turn that off, you can turn it off. It says, and it also tells you what it does. It turns off the always on display, decreases the brightness by 10%, sets motion smoothness to standard, and of course it turns on dark mode, which is the dark theme that saves power, and it sets screen time out to 30 seconds, so power won't be wasted. All right, so of course I can go back and I know it's on because of course it shows a leaf beside the battery in the left section there. In the past it would turn the battery icon to yellow, but of course these are the newer devices, the S24 Ultra, and of course other similar devices, it shows the leaf there. All right, now there's a quicker or faster way to enable and disable this feature, and that is to swipe down, go over to your battery icon, which is the battery icon here, which is the power saving icon, and you can tap to turn off, tap to turn on, and if you want to go to the setting, simply tap the text or simply long press on the icon and you'll be taken to the same settings from earlier, much quicker. All right, so if you want, I'm going to turn it on and we'll leave it there, and that's how you enable the feature. Now you know to turn on power saving for your Samsung Galaxy devices, the Ultras and other similar devices. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Do hope this was useful, and as always guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, showing you how to turn on the power saving feature. Bye.